Okay, so welcome to Code Companions, and in this video, we'll be talking about the four best products, one of the best products that you can start your one product dropshipping store with. So, if you are new to Shopify, if you are new to dropshipping, then welcome to Code Companions. This is a channel where we discuss about dropshipping, e-commerce, and programming. So let's talk about the four products. Now remember, they are not in a specific or particular order. They are randomly selected based on their popularity and the number of orders. So right now you can definitely choose any one of them as your starting product to start your one product dropshipping store. There are a lot of other products as well, but these are the four which I found the best. And the reason is because most of them are versatile and they are very cheap. Okay, so the first product we're going to review is the car high pressure water gun, right? It's pretty simple. We all have seen it, and all the garages, or if you're a person who washes their car at home, we all know what a high pressure water gun is. So there's nothing new, and it offers a different type of nozzles and length and whatever pressure you want. So on AliExpress the price is $7.7 and shipping will cost you an extra $6.17, so that will be around about $14 to $15. But let's have a look at the same product on Alibaba, where we'll be sourcing our product from. So high pressure water gun. Let's find the same product. So first of all, what we need to do is click on verified supplier and we'll sort by okay. We are not getting the option of least to high. No problem, we'll just have a look. So okay, high pressure water gun. Okay, so if I'm not wrong, this is the same, right? So this is the high pressure water gun, and as you can see, it's coming from a verified supplier who has been in the business for more than 5 years now. And you can check the company profile right here. Always make sure to check the company profile so that you know that the supplier from which you're ordering your products is a genuine one and is not cheating you on your money. So as you can see, the price is $3 on Alibaba, and on AliExpress it's $15 to $16. So that's the reason I recommend all of you to use Alibaba as your shipping source. So that's the first product, right? It's pretty simple. We do not need much more explanation. The second product, and as you know, the summers are on, so mosquitoes are breeding like crazy. So this is the electric USB mosquito killer lamp, and as you can see, it's pretty simple one as well. You just plug in and turn on the device, and then as you can see, it will prevent escaping, vertex trap, etc., all the cool features and stuff. And the price is, let's say, we take the minimum, so that's $8 and $2 for shipping, so that's a total of $10 at a minimum. And let's check the same product on Alibaba. So electric USB mosquito killer. If I go here, if I type in electric USB mosquito killer, let's see what we get. Okay, so well, it's the same product, right? And how much is the price? Well, as you can see here, it's just $2. So compare $10 with $2, and that is why Alibaba always on top. Okay, so yes, it's the same product sold by another verified supplier. That's all. You can check the company profile anytime you want, and I always recommend you do before you order from bulk before you order in bulk from them, so that, as I told you, do not get cheated on your money. So that's about the second product. Let's talk about the third product. So the third product is the bag, right? Now, this is a luxury bag, okay? Have you been to any Louis Vuitton stores or any high-end stores, right? You see the bags there, they pretty much look like this, but they're priced crazy, $200, $500, $600. So what we're going to do here is we're ordering the same bag with our custom logo on it. So here the price of the bag is $4.23 and shipping is $0.47. Let's check the same bag on Alibaba. We'll type in luxury bags. So okay, luxury bags. Let's have a look. We want the same bag, so as you can see, the prices are so cheap here. Well, like $2, $5, you can get a very high quality bag for a low price, and then you can sell it for as much as you want. So this is the beauty of selling luxury products via dropshipping. You can price the products whatever you think is the right price. Make sure it's lower from the competition, and you'll get a lot of sales. And if it's coming from a verified supplier, the quality will always be great. So you need not worry about the quality, but do check it once before you start selling. Okay, bag 4. I don't think we'll be able to find the exact product, but let's have a search. Oh, just a minute. Okay, let's search for purse. We'll need a little bit more digging in, and I think we'll be able to find it. Let's see, there's no product description here, just the images. Let's have a look. So okay, let's have one last search, and so let's type in luxury purse. Oh my bad, just a minute. Luxury purse, and we can find it, but as you can see, there's no specific name given here, so it's pretty difficult for us to identify and find it, because the same product will be going with many different names. So let's check. Okay, so for the sake of the product or the sake of this video, let's take this luxury handbag, as you can see, or purse, whatever you want to call it. So the price is what, $5, or let's say around about $5, and the photos. Okay, and you can always request for custom branding. They will do it for you if you order in a large quantity. Okay, we'll just one last search. If you're able to find it, no problem, well and good. If you're not able to find it, we'll stick with the same product. So luxury handbag. Okay. If you do not find one on Alibaba, and if you are satisfied with AliExpress, you can order one sample from there, and then you can check whether it's of the quality you're expecting or not, and then order in bulk from them only. If you are getting it for cheap, like this price is definitely a cheap price, okay, but you can find more cheaper prices on Alibaba. Okay, so we're not able to find the matching bag, so we'll just stick with this bag right now. And the price is $5. You can always custom brand it and sell it for $15 to $20 as a starting price. So that's for the third product. Now let's talk about the last product, which is very trending. You might want to call it duplicate AirPods, but these are it. So these are the wireless Bluetooth earphones, and they are selling it for $17.61 on AliExpress, and I'm pretty sure it will be for a very cheap price on Alibaba. So Bluetooth earphone mini wireless. Okay, so let's search. We can definitely find this. So Bluetooth earphones. Okay, Bluetooth earphones. Okay, a lot of them. So as you can see, we have a lot of variety offered here. You can choose whatever you want. Okay, so just a minute. Let's search for wireless headset. Obviously, it's a trial and error, and you'll get the product wireless headset. So as you can see, we are, if I'm not wrong, this should be it. Okay. Okay, so I think these are the one. Okay, so they are for $15, and here they are selling it for $20 or $17. So you're getting it for $3 to $4 cheap. And if you want to use another variant of this, particularly all function in the same way, for example, if you want a luxury product, or if you want to sell, let's say, luxury Bluetooth earphones, this is it. As you can see, they are very sophisticated and look a lot more professional than the traditional duplicate AirPods. And as you can see, the price is $11. You can sell the same for $30 to $40. Okay, but if you want to stick to minimal or simplicity with your product, then this is the best. $3, $4, and you're done. So it's pretty much the same product. Oh, just a minute. So it's pretty much the same product, just the color difference. That's all. Most of them offer the same features, so it doesn't really matter that much. So yes, that was for the last product. That's the wireless earphones, Bluetooth earphones, wireless headset, whatever you want to call it. There are a lot of different names. You can use whatever you feel comfortable with. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope it helped you clearing your doubts about the first product to sell. And keep watching and keep learning. And if you like this video and if you found it informational as I told you, do not forget to give this video a like. Don't forget to comment down below any suggestion, tips, or any improvement uh, suggestions you have. And that's all about this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Code Companions, and don't forget to press the bell button so whenever we upload a video you get notified. So thanks for being a great audience. Meet you in the next video.